Hey guys, not every campground has a bathroom. That's why you need one of these. I got sent this to do a little box opener, put it together, see what we think about it. So let's get her done. It's a portable toilet, if you will. Has a nice carrying case. There's the brand name there. They send some liners for your waste, shall we say, and some wipes. Okay, let's get it put together here. Kind of curious as to how big this thing is. Not much to it. Pretty compact. Oh, look at that. I kind of thought that was a back. You know, the way it was folded, I thought that's a nice backrest. No, that is your toilet seat. Looks like it's going to snap down into these little grooves right here. They face all different directions, so I don't guess there's a backwards and a forwards, and pretty much square. We'll see. Tell you what, it's probably going to be easier to put it down like this and put it together. That's a whole lot easier. You can see what you're doing. Well, that was easy enough. No use in trying to fight that thing. There you go. Look at there. Set this over your 5-gallon bucket. Now, the real test. Let's see how strong it is. See if it'll hold me up. All right, let's see how sturdy it is. The real test. Oh, wow. Hey, that ain't bad at all, y'all. You can sit there and do your business. Have it down by the water, and you can do a little fishing while you're taking care of business. I like that. You have a 5-gallon bucket down there. And like I said, it comes with the liners, but, you know, you can put some cat litter in the bottom of a sack, and there you go. And it does come with a carrying case. Always you can keep it stored away nicely. Tell you what, that's not bad at all, y'all. I was afraid it's gonna be a little low to the ground, but it's not. I'm about 5'9". That gives you an idea. I would say it's probably about normal toilet height. You know, I've used some that was shorter, some that was taller. This is about average. Not too tall, not too short. I like it. Hey, if you'd like to get yourself one of these for those times when you really need it, I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours today before it's too late. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.